Yeah, boy.
Yeah, so what me I say now? Me fly bandit. Me want you tune.
Oh, you want me tune it?
Cause you want know me not get what
Okay, well, I make man me tune it for you now. Where you want? Cartel, cause me get the Twitter box them, you know, and put them right there, so.
No,
and then me get the middle
no.
range and connect you. As a matter of fact.
No. Me want you tune the engine.
Go connect the Bluetooth and make we see if it work.
Alright, so what you going to do? Excuse me.
Bro, you say you want tune. Come here, tune if you. You can play Cartel.
Excuse me, friend, damn.
You that load still enough?
Are you a breast man or a butt?
Hey, yo! See that!
Wait.
No!
Wait, let me. Oh my God. Wait.
Yo, me's a breast man! Yo!
Wait.
So you tell me say, you no wrong, you no feel it wrong.
No.
The car mash up, now me have to go find money where me never plan for use, fix it.
Kevin, the man said for put the best oil in the engine. So I go buy a bottle of coconut oil on a juice.
Yeah, listen to yourself.
Every time you use coconut oil, you say you want more. What you want me to do?
Here, what, just take some time and think about what you do. Zine, just do that. Yeah, man, it look like she understand what I talk about. I go chat to her, I'm so short. So you see say you did wrong now?
No, if anybody wrong, I'm man.
Falling,
When you tell me about best oil for? Me
dreaming,
no wrong. Me never wrong.
Talking.
Never, ever.
In
Me
your
just a
sleep,
girl. Me no
I know
wrong.
you
And then now you move like you want to take him side.
side.
Eh? And me know if me call somebody and ask them, they gonna say me no wrong. Cause me don't wrong. Me no wrong.
B,
Yeah.
outside I go and like it hotter than you.
Cause that's summer.
Hey, B, you know, so I bring a bottle of water, cause I know say you're there for your thing. And I try help.
Me, water?
You
Really?
know if the water can just make it wash out quick out of you so you can go
Wash out
faster, B.
what? Oh my God, don't worry. Oh my God, yesterday was my last day. Where you go with game
B,
control?
just some game me there to play with the man, them, you know. Anything me tell them, I have to do in a game, you know.
Put on that. Me I go give you something for control. Put on this. I'm on your way. Control. No, sir. Put on this. Today I'm a soldier, man. Why you tell me what to do? The song named Cassian says, but not anything what Fatball says. Baby, tell me what to do now. Sir. Yes, sir.
Babe, boy, you go up in a breadfruit tree and dance till all I breadfruit them drop off.
Sir, yes, sir.
The clock is saying 1300 hours. I need you to clap your booty until 1800 hours. Do you understand?
Sir. Yes, sir.
I'm tell her everything, yeah? You're a clown, you. To tell me, I tell her say you're a clown. You're a clown, she don't want you. I'm a little boy. From the thing, dog. You know I'm charge it. You know, look. Yeah, you know I'm charge it. Big man, little boy. Stop from the thing, dog. I'm someone charge it. What? You cook curry chicken? Let me taste the curry chicken there. Come on, let me taste 2 little pieces of the curry. But I just want to taste 2 little pieces of the curry. Let me see. See where you're going with. Cause I feel like I use too much salt. Next time take more time with the salt, cause it's not bad doing no. It's not bad, but alright. Take your food, I don't wanna hold it. Awa. Why you look on the plate like that? Don't make up your face. Don't make up your face off of me. Because of those 2 little pieces of the chicken me take. I only take 2 little pieces of the chicken. Little boy. Don't make it look so bad. I 2 pieces of the chicken.
One time one man come see me. Me see him on the field up there where at the plate, you know. Come tell me, say, if me member say me did tell him fi go something mother. So me say then what about that? You come to defend that? Him said no. So me say when you come and talk about that for now then? Go and go suck your mother and your father again. Cause I must that you want here. You come for defending now. Then we you talk about it for. Now go on with your blood clot. You can't intimidate me. Like you come and frighten me for me face. Yeah, bad man.
So you're going in the district?
In which district? In a town me there. In a town me there, pussy clot boy come see me I talk about. Me did tell him to go suck mother. Me say, who you man? Man, go and go suck your mother and your father again, man. Cause worse you not come for defend it. What is sense you argue about it? For you not left that alone, brother. Him did the attack and
when you go buy that big bull and that big soda there, now the coconut milk and the tin milk, me send you go buy for boil the porridge.
Hey, don't bad to me. Cry to God.
So you mean you nobody want the porridge? So when me and Punchy I go drink?
Emotional damage.
Oh, you mean we at power with lunchtime? You're not easy. Me send you out with my money. I go buy where you want for buy this big old dirty dry bulla.
My nigga.
So if you do it again, don't do it again and don't let me hear you talk to me like that. I say you have to deal with them. You know?
Yes, man. Kids fi have manners.
You have to talk 3-4 times with them, you pick me.
And he still a come. Hey, I should have seen me boy.
So you have to take precautions with them, you pick me. Me tell you, at the demons, them pick up a road, then carry in a yard, you know. Hello, 1 second. Hello, come here to me.
Young man, look here.
Come here.
Look here. Don't make your father.
Don't let me say, don't let me talk to you again.
Anyways, it look like at the chicken feeding, when they mix up in the baby feeding, so guess I know it does swell them up big and this brain does fast. So
yeah.
So they does one big guinea pig.
They're not pick me no sense, brother.
Yeah, tell them, master.
And their ears so tough.
Ears so tough.
We have to go pressure their ears. You're going to make me talk to you again?
So now hear your father say if you go on out there.
Go
big
feel
people
before me go
attack.
feel him, because I don't want to kill him. You know?
Jesus Christ, what a boy curry like your uncle. I see him saying uncle, Tan, you know?
Yeah, because remember say the Bible, you know, me say you know, if you spare the rod and beat out the child.
Yes.
You have to slap them and you can, you
Yeah,
have
man.
pick me up the rule.
Yes, I see him where. Block the leaf from me young.
From before he grew.
Yes.
Hey, you know, make pick me rule you. You think me could I look at my parents them and do this? What him a do?
Look at that cloth, man.
I'll know with face bust up. Hello. I'll know with face bust up. You see all them a big chop in my face?
Are your man again?
I mother give me. Because so comes me have respect and manners towards my parents. Them you pick me.
Watch him.
I want to get a hold of you see.
You look
Pop
like
your
you
neck.
laugh with him. You look like you laugh with
Me
him.
not
man.
laugh with him. I'm going to pop your neck.
Stop. That hurts.
You know me did think me and you could be friends. Can't do it again. Me I got murder your blood. Curry goat me I go have tonight.
Rose, go over, please. Rose, go over.
No, Jack, there's no more space.
I want the blood clot this. I'm going over there, so let's go over. I want this. I think I'm going to pull out for me. Me for dead for you. Me not dead for you. I want to rot in this.
Yeah, me pop my bag. I go leave. Because I know my work.
Alright, Title, go on. Title, go get that bag, girl. Go get that bag. Come on, you go to work. Go get your bag. She's a go-getter. Go on. She's a go-getter. Work, girl. You know what you work. You know what you work. Go get your work. Tell us let my boy in here. Let him. You know siapa kita pakai bag. Galang.
Nice to see you and your parents at Results Day today. Mr. Reed.
Good evening, Mr. Simmons.
Mrs. Reed.
It's Mrs. McLeod, actually.
Mrs.
McLeod. Cause me and my ex-husband not together anymore.
Hello, me there right to say, you know. I'm still there and I'm picking the life.
Barely.
I'm still there in your life.
You don't.
So yeah, anyways, I've called you lot in to
sorry.
review your son's result. Did you not want to have a look at it by any chance?
Let me see it. So, all of the years, this you really do?
Let me see that. What is maths?
Yes,
F.
that's maths, English, science, and all the 3 subjects that he picked.
You get an F. F mean fantastic, though. D in English. What did D mean?
That mean he failed.
Oh. So it mean dunks. P.E. Panani eating.
I didn't do that.
You get A plus in a pum pum eating. The dunks that my son have come from his mother.
Your mother dance, your uncle dance.
I'm here.
Shut up your mouth. You have next man around me pitney and he can't raise me pitney well. You might teach my pitney for me I dunks.
Around, you wasn't doing nothing for the boy.
We have in. Me buy uniform.
So we have the same girl. He looked up. Me first. I want your things to the Ghana. Fuck. Fuck.
Oh God, a lie.
What?
Them shoot me, man.
A lie. And them man, they are real bad man. How them make man shoot them youth? How shoot him?
I'm a friend.
Check on my cars and I get from bad to worse and make sure so now we put not come up on the compound. I mean on a bag, never search your bag. Never search your bag still. One book, you see all it, you come and school with one book, Bridget? Sir, you don't learn nothing, man. Oh, you're frightened me, you have a degree.
Do you know how fast you was get bumbo class? You have a man, I mean, license and registration, please.
Here you go.
Pretty girl like you, why you speed now?
I'm just trying to get to my friend's house.
Step outside the car real quick, me have to do one inspection. You, PC Rasta Mouse. What go on? You need backup on your traffic stop? Nah, me don't need no backup. Me have this one all under control. Put your hands on top of the car.
I haven't done anything.
Me said put your hands on top of the car now. Fat batty.
Excuse me?
No, me talking to me PC manager. Me not talking to you. Alright. I'm gonna let you go on one condition. You have to give me a number.
Okay.
Hold on. Don't run off yet. Me have to see if the number works.
The number you dialed is not a working number. Please check the number and dial again.
Like, 2 hours and something in the dog, like, we could have take a boy girl, no, you know. WhatsApp as we speak, bro. Like, we could have run off TikTok a certain way with looks, bro, could they?
Yeah.
And some piece of boy. You know, feel so?
We really could have done that, dog.
How that thing that usually go, you say again, how you go again? Dazzling.
I'm not gonna tell him.
Jamaican vendors be like.
Excuse me, what's one of the mangoes?
Oh, mango?
Yes, what's one of the mangoes?
$1,000.
$1,000 for mango?
Oh, me name no say, yeah.
Man, thief, man.
50 feet, me G.
Cock up your ass and stop the shit, man. Stop your fucker. Cock up your ass. You think you don't know what you're doing. Cock up your ass. Every time you think you can't tell me. Cock up your fucking ass. I fuck me good bitch. Don't play with me. Give me a run with you. No man, this a cane sweet and juicy. Yeah man, a 4K. Me catch him in Augustus. Yeah man, a him see. Me ain't trust him from him band. As long as I live down, come back round me, no. Cause you're gay. I want TSP, so TS what? TS your man. I go and broke you up.
Regina, 20 grand, me pen pan this in a dog. Anything you say, bro? We are try say. Me nah try say nothing, brother. Oh, sorry, dog. Me never mean to.
I think of shit, me nah buy but nothing.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.